In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into a wolf in Terraria. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can become a wolf in Terraria. So, if you want to become a wolf like this, you will need a specific mount that you can acquire by killing wolves in the snow biome. So, the wolves have a 3% chance of dropping the Lilith's necklace. This equipable item allows you to mount and essentially become a wolf. So after you drop it, you can right click to equip it into your mount accessory here, mount slot, and when you press your mount keybind, which should be R by default, you will be able to become a wolf. So you run much faster, you jump much higher, and you will be able to walk around the map as a wolf. You can clearly notice that you are not even mounting the wolf, you literally become the wolf. Now, besides this, you also have the option of using the Moon Charm accessory. This accessory will turn you into a werewolf during the night. So if what you want is to become a werewolf instead of a standard wolf, then get the Moon Charm during a eclipse, and you will be able to get it by killing bats. So when you see a bat or a vampire, kill it, and you will be able to acquire these Moon Charms. But if you want to become the wolf like this, then you have to do it by acquiring the Lilith's necklace from wolves. You can find wolves in the snow biome at hard mode, so keep that in mind. This is going to be a hard mode exclusive mount, and after you acquire it, you can equip it and become the wolf. You run around much faster, you jump much higher, and overall it is a very fun transformation that you can acquire. For the Moon Charm, it is only going to work at the night, so you become a werewolf, and it's only available if you do it during the night, and you can actually transform this into other accessories like the Moon Shell and afterwards the Moon Charm as well. So just make sure that you acquire either this if you want to become a werewolf, which gives you a lot of stats, or if you want to become a wolf, then you need a Lilith's necklace. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into a wolf in Terraria. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.